There are so many tools right now. So for the beginners, where can they start? So we have so many tools that are used also for building brands, building
Yeah.
trust, giving value. So we have LinkedIn as a whole, we have YouTube, we have personal
Yeah.
blogs. So what is the easiest way to start, and how do you gradually build it?
The easiest is LinkedIn. And the reason for that is that more than 80% of business to business leads, which is typically pharma, is on LinkedIn. So YouTube can be useful, yes. Google advertising can be useful, but it's not as effective as LinkedIn. So if you're starting and your time is scarce and your budget is scarce, you have to start on LinkedIn. And then on LinkedIn, you have two strategies. The first one is content creation and really building your community. So really posting interesting content on your company page for your existing followers and building followers. So you organically grow your community, of whom, some people might be interested at some point in reaching out to you for your product. And on the other hand, if you have the budget for it available, and ideally you do it together with building your community, you do advertising. So to summarize, where should you start? You go to LinkedIn and you start by posting on your page and building a community and by advertising.
So it's the easiest, right? So you just need to think about how you give value. Again, it shouldn't be okay. Buy my product. Probably should be if you're let's say you're a consultant, right? So you
Yeah.
should tell a story about how you changed the life of a customers
Yeah.
in not just in a way that you boast about it, but
Yeah.
how you did it, right? So what did you learn from it, and what others can learn from it?